Hi, good morning. It's Wednesday the 25th of September and this is Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. We are looking at a daily chart of the NYMEX WTI crude oil futures. You can see this goes back to earlier this year anyway, sort of April, May time, and we've been in a fairly good uptrend since then. Sold off in the last 4 weeks or so, so we came back down to test this trend line, which goes back to, the 18th of April. So we had really good support around this area. We had the trend line, we had Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, and we also had the 100-day moving average, all within this sort of, where are we now, 102.40 down to 101.85 area. Well, as hoped, the market had a good bounce yesterday, put in a fairly bullish candle with a spike off the trend line and just above the 102.07 38.2 Fibonacci support level. So that all went according to plan, really. We've had a good bounce off. We're oversold on the daily chart and looking more positive now. I think we can call a low for this 4-week correction and see this market start to head higher again. An obvious target would be this sort of trend line and Fibonacci resistance area here. We're looking around 105.75, 106.00. That looks like a reasonable target over the next few days. Obviously a break below the 100-day moving average at 101.86 today would be a problem, and we'd have to forget our hopes of a bounce and consider that the uptrend had been broken and we should head lower into sort of the 99.00, 98.90 area. But for the time being, as long as we hold above the trend line, looks positive. The Brent crude oil picture is less clear, but still looking positive here as well. If I just blow this up a little bit, you can see that again, of course, we had this sell-off over the last 4 weeks or so, but we've managed a little double bottom here. We had a low on the 17th of September at 107.41. We had a low yesterday at 107.43, so that's a nice double bottom pattern. And just to back it up, it's held just above the 100-day moving average, which at today is around 107.33. So that sort of area has worked really nicely, as we hoped it would. You can see that stochastics on the daily chart are very oversold indeed. So good reason to think also that Brent crude has bottomed out, and that nicely backs up our theory for NYMEX WTI. Just another positive aspect for the Brent crude market is that we've just managed to open above the 200-day moving average and also Fibonacci support level, both around that 108.50 level. So the fact we're pushing above there again is another positive confirmation for oil. So yep, we're looking for this market to head higher into the end of the week at least. Brent could see it back up around the 110.60. We've got a couple of daily highs around the 111.25 area as well. So that's the sort of area we should head for in the immediate future. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.